Unlike Word document, in Excel, there is no default option to change case. But there are simple formulas to change case in Excel. So to change case in these two sentences, so here we select the cell and type equal and then upper to change into uppercase. Double click here and then select this cell, close and then enter. So this changed to capital or capitalized. And then to change this one, again we type equal and then upper, double click and select, close, enter. So all are capitalized. The other option in Excel is to change into proper case, means first letter of each word is capitalized. So proper, select, enter. So first letter of each word is capitalized. Similarly here, proper, double click and select this, enter. So see, first letter of each word is capitalized. And the third option is to change to lowercase. So equal to, lower, double click, and so this is already lowercase, so I'll select this one and then closed, enter. So again all change to lowercase, and same can be done here. Lower, double click, select this one, enter. So change to lowercase. Now to get rid of the background formula, as you can see there are formula in the background. So to get rid of the background formula from this changing, so just copy, Control C, and then Control Alt V. So that means paste special and select values and click OK. So now we have without formula. So we can delete this column and keep this. And now unfortunately there is no default formula in Excel to change to sentence case where the first letter of the first word is capitalized and rest is lowercase. So that requires a longer formula, and I will show it in a separate video later on. Now thank you for watching, and if you find the video helpful, please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.